Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the final release date of the iOS 13 and the iPhone 11. This has been confirmed by Apple through a leak that happened once they released iOS 13 Beta 7. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about and also the release dates of the iPhone 11 and iOS 13. So what I'm talking about here is this screenshot that has been found. You can see this was posted first by iHelpBR. I will leave the original article right down below in the description of the video. So this screenshot found on iOS 13 Beta 7 that says hold for release gives the date right here, Tuesday 10th. This is September 10th. This September 10th will be the date where Apple will announce the new iPhone 11. So taking a look at that screenshot, we can basically predict right here the schedule of the release of the iPhone 11 and iOS 13. So the date of the presentation of the new iPhones will be September 10th. That will put the pre-order on Friday 13th. That will be the date that the pre-order will start for the iPhone 11. And that puts the iOS 13 the next upcoming week on 16th or maybe 17th, but I believe it will be 16th. I did predict this on a previous video that I did on the final release of iOS 13. So it will go like this. iOS 13 will be released on Monday, September 16th, and then the release of the iPhone 11 will be on the 20th of September. This is when the iPhone will start shipping. So again, the presentation of the iPhone September 10th, pre-order 13th, and the release on 20th. iOS 13 will be released on Monday 16th. So these are the dates that are basically confirmed by Apple with this latest leak. So I did predict this months ago for the iPhone 11 based on another leak that was released before. So the iPhone 11 and iOS 13 are just a few weeks away from being released, and now we know the exact dates when we can have these devices and of course the new software. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more iOS 13 and iPhone 11 videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.